Hello there, Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Linda Medolu and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to make your perfume last long all day and how to ensure that you smell good all day and eliminate any form of body odor. If you want to know all of what I have to share with you in this video based on the topics that I mentioned, how to smell good all day and how to make your perfumes last long, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please kindly click on the subscribe button right below, somewhere here or there, I'm not quite sure. And also turn on the post notification bell right beside that subscribe button so you know when I upload a new video to our YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. The first thing you want to ensure that you are doing is that you're taking your baths at least 2 times a day. In the morning when you wake up and at night before you go to bed. And when you're taking your bath, please make sure you're using a soap that lathers well, and you also use the African sponge. This sponge right here. Make sure you buy one that is sort of tough on your skin. But if you're somebody who has very soft skin that is prone to getting red or probably peeling, maybe you could get the type that is softer, but this one right here sort of it's strong. So you want to ensure that you use the sponge when you are taking your bath to ensure that you scrub your body really well. You want to go into all the corners, especially your armpits. If there's a part of your body that tends to bring out odor, it's the armpit. So you want to ensure that you are scrubbing your armpits with this sponge right here. You scrub it in circular motions. You really scrub your armpits really well. The corners of your body, like in between your butt cheeks, you scrub those areas with your sponge. All the corners, like these areas right here that seems to be eating your ears, your neck, the back of your neck. Make sure you try as much as possible your back to reach every part of your body with your sponge, even in between your fingers, your belly button. Wash your body very well with the sponge, just to ensure that there's no part of your body that you have abandoned and dirt is just stuck there and that part of your skin has changed color. Is when somebody looks at it and the person realizes that this person probably doesn't really beat this part of their body well. So make sure you take your time to scrub your body with your sponge very well. And something else that can also help you is using hot water when you're taking your bath, because when you use hot water to take your bath, it sort of helps all the oils and all the dirt to just slip off a lot more faster. When you take your bath with hot water, you know that you've actually had a very thorough bath. And also, don't just scrub your body once with your bathing sponge. No. After scrubbing the first time, don't be lazy. Go over your body again the second time. And when you come out of the bath and rinse off your body, you realize that you feel very clean. Why? Because you scrubbed your body thoroughly. So don't just scrub your body once. Scrub it at least 2 to 3 times. When you scrub it the first time, okay, yes, that's the first one. But by the time you scrub your body the second time and really scrub, go in circular motions in all the armpit area, part of your body that tends to get really smelly quickly, you find out that after taking your bath 2 hours later, 4 hours later, even if you are sweating, you actually still smell good. So scrubbing your body really well and also using hot water would go a whole long way to ensuring that you smell good all day. So what else can also help you to ensure that you don't start smelling quickly after you've had your bath? And I would recommend that you use your deodorant. And for me, the deodorant that I like to use is this one right here, which is the Nivea Men deodorant. This particular one here that gives you odor protection for 72 hours. For me, I sweat a whole lot, so I prefer to use men's deodorant because I noticed that it gives you, it lasts longer than compared to when you use female deodorants. That after you spray it, after like about, let's say 3, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, you start to find out that there's like odor coming out of your armpits. But when you use the men's deodorant, it gives you a longer protection from body odor. Because why does this odors come out from your body? It's basically because of what you eat. You're eating things like garlic, you're eating things like onion, and when you eat those things, when you start to sweat, it comes out with the smell of the things that you eat. Any food you eat, if you are eating, or what they call it, Yorubas call this thing iru, anything you eat, when your body digests it, it comes out from your sweat. So if you're not somebody that eats vegan meals, you'll notice that you might be having some odor, and it's because of what you're actually putting into your body, because what you put into your body is what comes out of your body. So you want to be mindful of what you're eating, and also ensuring that you take care of your body really well in terms of how you're taking your baths, the deodorant you use. And then in the next step right now, in the next section of this video right now, I'm going to be showing you what you can do to make sure that your perfumes, your deodorants, your body spray lasts longer and ensure that you smell good all day. So this is the next section of the video. But after you've used your body lotion all over your body lotion, you've applied your body lotion all over your body. Let me just show you guys a sample of what I'm doing in this video. So this is my body lotion right here. I applied it on my arm and I've applied it on my body after I've had my bath to help moisturize my body. If you're somebody who has dry skin, after applying your body lotion, of course, you need to also apply baby oil just to seal off the moisture that you just applied to your body. But if you're somebody who just applies body lotion, you probably have oily skin, you don't bother with applying any oils to your body, what you should do is don't just apply the body lotion alone. Get your body lotion right here, put it on your palm, and get your body spray. For me, I don't have a body spray right now, but I'm going to use this Prada perfume that my friend NK gifted me to show you what I'm trying to do. So this is the body lotion right here. This is my perfume, and I'm going to spray this. I'm going to spray this perfume on my palm with the body lotion. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix the body lotion and the perfume together and apply it on my body. So with this, for somebody who doesn't like to apply baby oil on your skin, you already have the body lotion and the perfume mixed together and massaged into your body. So with this, you notice that because of the moisture that the body lotion has and the presence of the perfume together, so the perfume literally has something to stick to on your body when you apply it directly on your body with the mixture of the body lotion and the perfume together. So by just doing this simple tip, your perfume is going to last longer. And you can do this all over your entire body except for your face. You can do this on your arm, your legs, your thighs, your tummy, your back, everywhere. And you're going to notice that your body now begins to have a particular scent to it because of your daily use of that particular body lotion and that perfume. Your body starts to adapt that particular scent. So even when you haven't had your bath, if you just pass, somebody know that, oh, this person just passed, because your body now has a particular scent to it because of how you've been creaming your body with your body lotion and that perfume that you use. I prefer to use my body lotion first, then I seal the moisture on my body with the baby oil. So what I do with the baby oil is I take the baby oil, I put it on my palm, and then I get my perfume, then I spray the perfume on my palm, just the same way I did with the body lotion. I mix both products together, and then I apply the baby oil to my body. Let's say I want to apply it to my neck area right now, my shoulder area. I just apply it to my body right here. It's going to make my body shiny and also smell good. Now I'm also going to apply the baby oil to my arm. My knuckles are prone to being dry, and to my other arm here. Anybody that enters this room right now is going to notice that, man, I really smell good. And even after I leave this room, when I pass somewhere, the person will just perceive that, oh, someone that passed here now smells good. Why? Because I've literally locked in the perfume to my skin. I didn't just spray the perfume on a dry surface that doesn't have moisture on. My body is well moisturized, and then I massaged the moisture and the perfume together and applied it to my body. So what you're going to notice right now is that my perfume is going to last a whole longer, or your body spray is going to last a whole longer on your body, unlike when you just take your bath, rub your cream, and you just spray your perfume and spray your deodorant randomly and go out. By just applying the moisturizer, the body oil to my skin, and then let's say I've already moisturized my armpits, and then I spray the deodorant. The deodorant is going to last a whole longer than when I just spray directly to my armpits without having any moisturizer there. Yes. So let's say right now I've already applied the baby oil to my skin, and I want to apply my perfume to my body to ensure that my perfume lasts long all day. So I already have this part of my body moisturized. There's oil on it, so definitely when I apply the perfume on my palm, it's going to last a whole longer. So if you want to make a perfume to last long, you notice that, oh, you buy a perfume and in probably less than 2-3 months your perfume has finished. What you can do to make your perfume last longer is minimize how you use it. All you need to do is, you've already applied this perfume, like you probably put like 2 sprays and applied it all over your palm, your upper body. You take another 2 sprays and apply it to your baby oil all over your body. You notice that with that alone you're okay. Then you now want to also ensure that you put the perfume on like your T-zones, the part of your body that would hold on to the perfume for longer. And what are those zones? Those are places like your palm, your hand here, the back of your ears, and in between the back of your leg here. I don't know the back of your leg, where your joints, where you bend your leg, you want to put the perfume on all those areas. So what I'm going to do right now is just spray the perfume right here, put this here, and then also put it at the back of my ears, my neck area right here. And then that same perfume, I could just put a little bit more here, and then take it and put it on at the back of my legs. Yeah, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but by doing this simple step, like I don't necessarily have to spray the perfume all over my body, but then if I have to stop, I don't have to spray the perfume in like particular places because I already have the perfume on my body. But if I just want the perfume to be on my clothes, all I need to do is just spray it up here, and then it drips down. Like by doing this, it has gone all over my body. So the maximum sprays I used from this perfume right here is probably just like, let's say 6 sprays. Unlike when you probably you spray out, you do like 10 sprays all over your body. You're using a whole lot of perfume, and definitely the perfume is going to finish quickly. But with the steps I've shown you in this video, you notice that you don't have to use that much perfume, and your perfume is going to last long, and you're going to smell good all day because of the use of your body oil, your body lotion, mixing it with the perfume and applying it all over your body. You're going to notice that you smell good all day long. And then when you come back from wherever you went to, probably you went to work, you went shopping or whatever, you come back and you take your bath. If you're moisturizing your body again at night, you probably want to use just like your body lotion and your body spray. Apply the mixture of your body lotion and your body spray on your palm and apply it all over your body. And you notice that even at night you still smell good. You wake up smelling good. You're not waking up to any funny smell. And then after you've applied the body lotion and perfume on your body, you can spray your deodorant before going to bed. Yes, and then you find out that when you wake up in the morning, you still smell good. You don't have any foul smell on your body. And then another bonus tip I want to share with you is, after using the toilet, you want to ensure that you don't just use tissue to wipe the back. You want to use water to wash the back, and after using water to wash the back, use your towel to dry the back, just to ensure that there are no leftovers of what you excreted that's still on your body, because when it's left on your body, that's what is going to make you smell. It's going to make that area smell, just like you going to wee as a lady and then you just dry up the area without, let's say, rinsing off with water and then drying with a towel. You're going to have a little smell of urea on your body. So using water to wash and drying off with your towel or your wipe, whatever it is that you have, it's going to be a lot better than just using tissue. So this is another bonus tip for this video. So thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope that you really find it helpful. If you do, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll definitely catch you in my next video. Bye, love.